Hey guys, DIYbri here. Today I want to share the gifts that I gave to my family this year. Hopefully this will give you some ideas and kind of get an idea of, what I do for Christmas. So I hope you enjoy. I think I'll post this after Christmas. My sisters watch my videos, so I don't want to spoil anything, of course. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I think the fun stuff is what I'm giving to my sisters, so I want to share that first. And for this particular sister, I kind of put together several different things, so it's a little all over the place, but she kind of expressed an interest in skincare a little bit. This is a new, like retinol moisturizer that I've been using lately that I've been really liking. It's fragrance free, which is great for your skin. Well, there's two options, so if you're buying this, I guess it's up to you, but the fragrance free is just a little gentler on your skin and less likely to cause problems or irritation. But it's a rich moisturizer that can help with the retinol in it. It can help with aging and fine lines and wrinkles. I love retinol as well because it can help reduce sun damage. We have a history of skin cancer in our family, and so that's advisable. And as you can tell, I'm fair skinned and with light hair. I'm more susceptible to sunburn, and so are my siblings. So I mean, she's kind of picky about what she puts on her skin and face and stuff, so we'll see. But I thought, it's fragrance free, it's just a good product, so I thought she might enjoy that. And then she loves getting like sparkling water, the kind that doesn't have any added sugar. It's just like the essence or whatever, and so it's got flavor, but it's kind of got that. Anyway, she likes to get those, and this is just sort of a way of getting just seltzer water and flavoring it, so I thought she might like it. I got on clearance at Target, but it is cucumber lime flavored drops that you just add in, no sugars or sweeteners, 0 calorie, and I thought it would be worth a try and kind of zhuzh up your water. I think it'd be good for anybody who has a hard time drinking water. Adding lemon or any flavor to your water, I think, makes a big difference. And there's a giggling kiddo. Again, this could be a risk because she's not into makeup and all that, but it's a product that I love to use once I'm done doing my eyebrows. So I use this every day when I'm doing my makeup. It's the NYX Control Freak, and it's just like a clear gel that you just brush into your eyebrows to keep them in place. I feel like one of the only things she does is she will brush her eyebrows, so I thought she might like that to kind of keep them in place. So we'll see. Hopefully she's into it. And then this is one of her favorite scents from Bath & Body Works, the aromatherapy eucalyptus and spearmint, and so I thought giving her a little mini body wash. It's a body wash and foam bath. Anyway, she's the one who has been living in a tiny house. She isn't currently, but she lives minimally and small, and so I thought getting her a small bottle so it's not taking up space in her bathroom for 2 years or whatever, so I thought that would be nice. This is sort of like an inside sister thing, but we had a thing with sour Skittles when we were younger, and she is vegan, and I'm quite certain that these are vegan. Yeah, gluten-free and everything. So anyway, so something she can have. She doesn't do much sugar, but it's just kind of a fun thought, kind of like a stocking stuffer type of vibe. And then one more thing, at the thrift store for like 50 cents or something, I found this cool little cookie cutter that is a bike shape. So at the beginning of this year, I think we made a cake to look like a bike. Anyway, her and her partner love biking, and I thought it would be cool if she had like a little cutter that she could use. I think it's more designed for Play-Doh than like a cookie cutter, but it doesn't really matter as long as you clean it. I just thought this was fun, so these are all the little things that I've been collecting for her over the year that I thought she might like. And then I have one sister who has been through a hell of a year with multiple health problems, I guess, and she has come out strong, and it was really scary there for a minute, but she's okay. She's at home now. Antibiotics they had to pump her body with caused some issues, including some hair loss, and I just want her to feel good about herself, and if there's anything I can do to kind of help with that, it'll grow back in, but it takes some time. So I thought these neat little hair, skin, and nails vitamins might be a cool thing. I haven't tried them personally. I like that it has hyaluronic acid in it. I think that's cool. Rose hip, vitamin C, and it's got antioxidants and vegan, and it looks really cute too. I think she would enjoy like taking one every day in this cute little packaging. So that was more practical than anything, but also like cute. So something kind of in the relaxing realm. I thought this sleep mask set would be really cool. I heard about this really cool weighted mask on Nordstrom. It was really expensive, and I thought about getting that for her. And then I found this just at Target for much cheaper, and it's pretty much the same thing, although it has more features, I guess, because it is weighted, so it has like a gentle kind of pressure on your eyes to help you sleep. I guess it's good with like headaches and stuff too. And it's got cooling gel, and it's filled with lavender and flaxseed, so it's got some of that aromatherapy in it too. So hopefully she likes this guy. And she's kind of this gorgeous little fashionista who I think can pull off anything, and she loves the beach, so I thought these really fun earrings from Target that are little sea stars would be.
My dad lives at the Target.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
And it's by Sugar Fix, which is by the Bobble Bar brand, and I did get it on clearance. I got a really good deal. There's a different shade of pink in each one, and I thought they would be really cute in her ears. And then for another one of my sisters, I have a lot of sisters, she has the most amazing hair, and she does such a good job taking care of it. Anyway, so I thought this product would be cool for her. It's the Olaplex number 8. So anything from Olaplex I think is a really good product. A Bond Intense Moisture Mask, so it helps moisturize, add shine, body. Anyway, I thought this would be really cool. She's got this long, beautiful hair that she likes to take care of her hair, so I think she might like this. And it's a pricier item that she may not buy for herself. So then another clearance item, it's the Cremo Bar. It's just a soap. It's the Palo Santo scent, which I love. I have a body wash in that one that, well, I got it from my husband, and now I use it because I really love the smell. So, and she loves kind of more masculine scents or whatever, so I thought she might like this, and I got a really good deal on it. So again, I guess I'm mindful of sleep these days and getting a good night's sleep, so I thought this little sleep kit would be nice. I just found it at Walmart, and I thought it was really cute. It's a deep pillow spray, and then a stress check roll-on that you roll on your wrists. I've mentioned those like essential oil roll-on things before. I love those, so I thought this was cute. Might come in handy for her. For yet another sister, I got this cool phone holder purse, little mini purse to throw a card or two and your phone to carry with you. Again, Target clearance item. She loves the leggings that have the pockets on the side for her phone, but when she's not wearing those, I thought this could come in handy. And then this was from Albertsons, this little Perfect Man hot cocoa bomb. I just thought it was funny, and she might get a kick out of it. It's just a fun little thing. And then she loves Harry Potter. She's a big Potterhead like me, so I got these playing cards that are Harry Potter. They've got like the Hogwarts crest on the back and all this detail, and the Hogwarts castle on the front, and they're just like super cool specialty cards, playing cards. And then one more thing to go on her, she has this like Hedwig purse. It's so adorable. So I thought for that, or for any other bag, I found this cute little chocolate frog keychain that actually opens up. It's really cute. And then my daughter found this to give her. It's a little squishamallow that reverses into a frog, but this side, the little yellow guy, is one of her favorite animals, xylitol or whatever it's called. I always say it wrong, but anyway, I thought that was cute. So for my mom, my husband found this on clearance at Target. It's just a neat bottle opener. This is a cool board game that I thought I'd pick up that's a favorite of ours and some other family of ours. I got it at Target. It's super fun, so you'll have to check it out if you haven't played it before. This would be a great gift for a family. This is a neat gift I found at the thrift store, brand new, that I'm gonna give to a brother-in-law. I love these working hand creams. I think they're really good to apply at night for dry skin in the winter. And they had this kit on sale at Target So I thought I would pick it up and it would be a great gift idea as well. I thought these little pet laser keychains would be fun. I just picked them up at Walmart. I remember as a kid loving to flash those around and have fun with the dogs, and so I thought that would be a fun gift for my kids. We don't have a dog at the house, but where we're going for Christmas, there's a puppy that we get to play with and a cat, and so I thought that might be a safer way to play with them, especially with my 2-year-old toddler. He can be a little rough with his play, and so that's a better way, I think, to play with the animals, so we'll see how that works out. I've mentioned before, like Goodfellow socks and just any good quality socks I think are great to give as a gift. These were on clearance at Target, but they're nice quality, and any man or woman would love to get socks, I think, especially as we get older. We get cold and those sorts of things. They're not fun to like spend money on, and so it's nice when somebody gives them as a gift. So these little sport tablets that you add to your water to like increase your hydration, that you just pop it into your water and get more electrolytes and stuff. I have a brother-in-law who loves these, and he's very active. My husband has been trying them out and liking them, so I thought these would be they're a great like stocking stuffers. They're a great stocking stuffer as well, but just a good gift to pick some of these out. They have a lot of different flavors. This one's lemon lime. So yeah, the noon tablets are cool. Here are a couple more kit type things that I picked up at the store that I thought would be great gifts that might give you some ideas. All right, and I think that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys are doing well and enjoying this holiday season. Make sure you are subscribed, and we'll see you next time. Love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. I got a lot of videos planned for January to kind of help with the post-Christmas stuff, some decluttering and ways to resell old things that you're trying to get rid of, you know, after the influx of all the new stuff from Christmas. So stay tuned for all that, and we'll see you next time. Yeah.
Happy! And the LOL Queen LOL. Yeah. It's kind of old, and we're gonna fix it, and I think we're gonna do paper right here is a thing that I love. And then this little tiny bag, it got a little spill right there, but it's the best. The horse?
The horse?
Yeah. And then